Hello students, my name is Sumit Mehta. Today in this lecture we will discuss about what is mode in the chapter statistics. Okay, so in my previous lecture on how to find out the mean value, I told you about three different formulas to find out the value of mean of a particular class interval. So okay, I hope you guys are pretty aware of these all three formulas. Now I will cover what is mode. So let me write the definition of mode is a mode is that value. A mode is that value among the observations which occurs most of the time, most often, or you can say which occurs most of the time or most often. Means if I say there are 40 students in a class, okay, let's say there are 40 students and I have to write down the height of each student. If I say the height of the students lie in the range of 4.5 4 feet and 5 inches to 4 feet 8 inches are 6 students, and if I say 4 feet 8 inches to 5 feet there are 10 students, and if I say 5 feet to 5 feet 6 inches there are 12 students, and if I say 5 feet 6 inches to 6 feet 20 to 28 there are again 12 students. If I say it is 14 students and let's say these are 10 students. So the value which is coming mostly is this range. So I can say the mode of the class lies in the ranges 5 feet 6 to 6 feet. Okay, so the mode is the value amongst the observation which occurs most often, means this value will occurs very often. So this we can say as the mode of the particular class. So let me write the formula to find out the mode of the class is. So students, here is the formula which states that mode is equals to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into height. Okay, and what is L is? L is the lower limit of modal class. So what is modal class? Modal class is that class interval which in which the frequency is highest, means the number of students lies in that range will be the highest. If I say in last example 5 feet 6 inch to 6 feet, the number of students was highest. So this is the modal class. So this is our modal class, and L will be the lower range of the lower limit of the modal class. So it means 5 feet 6 inch will be the L in that case. Okay, so what is F1? It is the frequency of modal class. So the modal class, if I say this is the modal class, the frequency will be 14. F0 is frequency of the class preceding to modal class, means the class earlier to modal class frequency, and the F1 F2 is frequency of class succeeding to, now the next class succeeding to the modal class. Okay, and what is H? H here is the size of the class interval or the height of the class interval, you can say size of class interval. And let me give you one example based on this mode so that you will be clear how to solve the question based on mode. Let me write one question first. So students, here is the question which states that a survey conducted on 20 households. Okay, there is a survey conducted on 20 households in a locality by a group of students resulted in the following frequency table for the number of family members in a household. So let's say there are 20 households, and the size of the family and the number of families, there is a survey conducted by a group of students. Okay, and we have to find out the mode of this data. So how to proceed to find out the mode of this data? I'll look at the table first. And the size of the family, if is in 1 to 3, there are total 7 families. If it is in 3 to 5, there are 8 families. If it is in 5 to 7, if it is in 5 to 7, there are 2 families. If it is in 7 to 9, there are again 2 families, and between 9 to 11, there is only 1 family. And we have to find out the mode. So I'll write the formula for mode first. L plus f1 minus f0 upon 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into class size h. So what was our f1 is the model class, frequency of the model class, which exists very often. So this will be our model class in this case, because the frequency here is the maximum, which is 8. So I will write this as model class. Okay, and the frequency for this will be 8. Now to apply the formula of mode is equals to L is the lower limit of the model class, which is 3. F1 is the 8 minus frequency of the previous class preceding to model class is 7 upon 2 into 8 minus f0. F0 is 7 and f2 is 2 into class height is 2. So I'll write this as 3 plus 1 by 16 minus 9 as 7 into 2 is equals to 3 plus 2 by 7, which will be 3.286. So this is our mode of this table of this survey. So we were to find out the mode of this survey, and we got the mode as 3.286. So I hope students you are pretty clear now how to find out the mode of a particular class or particular table. And if you still have any doubt or any questions regarding this lecture, please do comment in the comment section, and also download the Scholars Learning app from Play Store or App Store. And if you have already did, then please do share it with your friends. Thank you, students.